Hello everyone, I'm Miguel and I created Nitpicks to make code changes directly from screen recordings. Let me show you how it works. Imagine that we want to make some changes into this application, which is actually the Nitpicks dashboard because I use Nitpicks to build itself. So I just need to open the Nitpicks extension, click on the record button and start explaining the thing. It can be a bug and it will investigate it and address it, or it can just be some feature change. Let me show you. I'm going to record the screen, this one. When creating a product, instead of asking the users to provide the code repositories separated by commas in this ugly way, I want them to provide the GitHub repository URL and then on a separate input the branch for each repository at the right of the URL input, and then I want this to show a plus button so that they can provide more than one repositories instead of having to split them by commas here. So now I just need to stop the recording and I can review the recording directly here on the extension. I'm going to mute it. And once that I verify that this is right, I can click on the OK button so that it will be uploaded. And if you noticed, you don't even need to know the specific language that is used in the code base. You just need to talk it naturally and it will understand what you want. And now we just need to wait for the PR, for the pull request to be created on GitHub. So let me fast move the video and I will come back in a few minutes. So now that the agent has completed, we can see that the information has been updated. We have the initial task that the agent was running, some history of what it was doing step by step, and we also have the pull request link here. So let's check it. We can see that the Nitpicks agent did some changes. It imported some icon for the X. I guess this is for adding more repositories maybe, or for deleting an entry from the form. It created the repository type, did some changes here to update and remove and add repositories, and also created the logic here to upload it from the form data. It did some changes that we have to do. It changed the form here. I fetched this branch locally here to my testing environment. I did git fetch and then check out to that branch and then run the application. And if we go here to my local host and try to create a new product, we can see that it actually changed the input fields. So we can now add a URL here, or the same approach that before, the branch in the left, and we can add new repositories and remove them. So let's create a testing product. Let's create an URL here with a different branch, some Miguel test3, and we can just add some testing context, RTP key, and create the product. We have here the new one, and we can start sending a video request to our product here. So I would love to hear your feedback. Please give it a try and feel free to contact me at Miguel@Nitpicks AI. That's all.